So in today's video, I'm going to hi, this is Wow Writer. In today's video, how to write assignment without AI detection. Okay, without AI detection. How to write assignment without AI detection. So this is the assignment I'm working on, and I'm straight copy from ChatGPT, and I'm getting around 55% AI. Okay, and this is my AI report, and how I check my AI report. Okay, so I find out that this is the Turnitin is the widely used AI detector by institution and academic institution. Turnitin is the one of the most used AI, and 99% institution use this uh, tool to detect student AI and plagiarism. Okay, so this is how the reports look like, and how you can find this report that I don't know, but I'm going to give you hint. So this is my report. Okay, this is the AI percentage wherever I the the flag part of my AI, and I got 55% AI, and I will going to get a very low grade. Okay, so I copy from ChatGPT and Perplexity. Okay, so to remove the AI, or and see, you cannot remove the AI, and how to get plagiarism and how to write assignment, how regarding the assignment and everything, you can visit this website, and this provide pretty much everything for the services, like how to write assignment guide, plagiarism report, everything. Okay, so you can visit this website. This is the Wow Writer. Okay, you can see wowwriter.com. Okay, you can memorize the assignment, and they will help everything regarding your assignment and all that, whatever the thing you want. Okay, so coming to this part, I have been I got AI something like this. Okay, so first of all, you need this Turnitin report, whatever the Turnitin report. Okay, and I'm going to copy this was the my file. Okay, I'm going to copy everything. Okay, this is just for demo purpose, and I'm going to use the style writer. Okay, style writer, and they are going to provide similar thing in this Wow Writer. Okay, they provide everything. Okay, and just paste here and humanize. Okay, and or error. Okay, okay, I need to log in again because I log out. Okay, I just need to copy and use Ghost Ninja. I prefer Ninja too. Okay, it's very simple and easy to use. Oh, you are going too fast. Okay, I just log in. That's why it's showing something like this. Okay, humanize. Yeah, Ghost 2 is good. Okay, and this is the output. Okay, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste here. I'm going to paste here. This is my new file. Okay, this is my new file. This is my new file, and this person I fix, and there is some AI percentage from similarity to bottom part. Okay, I'm going to fix this also. uh Similarity, similarity to this part. Okay, I just need to fix here. Okay, see, the sentence may be the mismatch, but you can do that. You just need to remove the certain part. Okay, certain part, and still answer will be great, and humanize. Okay, and after that, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to put this from here. Okay, I'm going to put here, and this is my new assignment now. Okay, there is something that I need to fix in terms of grammar, but it's okay for now. It's okay. I just need to make my assignment AI free, and it's still readable. Okay, so I'm going to save, uh, and I'll contact them regarding the plagiarism and AI report, whatever the AI report one you want, like copy leak AI and whatever AI report you want. Okay, whatever AI report you want, and okay, I'm going to pause for now. Okay, so I'm back, and see, as you can see, this is my new AI report, and I have 0% AI, and this is completely fine now, and I can, and see, this is the exact report as your institution is going to see. Okay, that's all. And you can contact about more writing with the wow writer, and they will help you whatever help you need. Okay.